Luke, what are you doing? Are you eating chocolate? Why are you eating chocolate? You got 2 chocolates? Can you tell me why you get chocolate? Hey, buddy. Luke, what did you do? What'd you do? Did you go poop on potty? Hey. What else, Luke? Yes, can I help you? Can I help you? I'm trying to talk to your brother. Lucas, what'd you do on the potty? What else? Hey, Lucas. Hey, can you tell me again? What'd you do on the potty? What'd you do? Did you poop? What else did you do? Chocolate? You pooped, and what else? That's right. Good boy. Yay, Lukey.